Hello everyone. Welcome to our detailed technical analysis of Oriental Rise Holdings Limited, ORIS, stock, based on the last 3 months of data. We'll break this down into our usual sections: general overview and trend, price-volume relationship, moving averages, technical indicators, linear regression, next trading day opening estimate, support and resistance levels, potential intraday high and low based on ATR 14, possible scenarios, and conclusion. General overview and trend. ORIS stock has been a wild ride over the past 3 months, showing extreme volatility. Starting at a closing price of 0.961999 on May 12, 2025, the stock spiked to a high of 1.33 on May 13, a 38.2% jump in a single day, before plummeting to an estimated close of 0.14 on August 8, based on technical indicators and trend. This represents a staggering 85.4% drop from the starting point and an 89.5% decline from the May peak. The sharp fall, especially in early August, points to intense selling pressure, possibly driven by market corrections, low liquidity in a micro-cap stock, or company-specific challenges in its tea and beverage business. The overall trend is strongly bearish, with no signs of immediate recovery. Price-volume relationship. The price-volume relationship reveals key insights into ORIS's volatility. The highest volume day was May 13, 15.55 million shares, close at 1.33, aligning with the price spike, indicating strong speculative interest. Other notable volume days include May 15, 1.47 million shares, close at 0.94, and May 14, 894,199 shares, close at 1.05, showing fading activity after the initial surge. Recent data, such as August 7, 1.75 million shares, close at 0.14, reflects elevated volume during the decline, suggesting panic selling or forced liquidations. The OBV at 102 billion is unusually high, likely due to cumulative volume from the May spike, but the recent low price indicates selling has dominated. The high volume on down days reinforces the bearish trend. Moving averages, EMA and SMA. Moving averages paint a grim picture, confirming the bearish trend. The 5-day SMA at 0.1620 and EMA at 0.1656 are above the estimated current price of 0.14, reflecting the recent sharp drop. The 10-day SMA, 0.0976, and EMA, 0.1249, 20-day SMA, 0.2632, and EMA, 0.2204, and 50-day SMA, 0.4007, and EMA, 0.4048, are significantly higher, showing the price is far below short and medium-term trends. The 200-day SMA, 0.6214, and EMA, 0.6967, further highlight the long-term bearish collapse. Short-term indicators like WMA10, 0.0976, and TMA10, 0.0876, are closer to the price but still above, while CAMA10, 0.0959, and TRIMA10, 0.1210, suggest ongoing downward pressure. Technical indicators. Let's group the technical indicators for clarity. Momentum indicators. RSI 14 at 29.2232 is near oversold, hinting at a potential bounce. Williams percent R14 at -70.1878 and stock RSI K5 at 100.0, contradictory due to possible data lag, suggest mixed signals, but MFI 14 at 78.1028 indicates strong money flow despite the price drop, possibly due to earlier buying. Stochastic indicators. Stock K15, 5.4880, and stock D15, 3.6214, are extremely low, while stock K5, 30.9315, and stock D5, 30.3479, show recent weakness, suggesting limited downside momentum. MACD at -0.1429, MACD signal at -0.1493, and MACD histogram at 0.0064 indicate fading bearish momentum, with the near-zero histogram suggesting potential stabilization. Volatility indicators. ATR 14 at 0.0577 reflects low absolute volatility due to the low price, but NATR 14 at 41.3751 shows high relative volatility. Bollinger Bands show the upper band at 0.6476, middle band at 0.2632, and lower band at -0.1211, with the price near the lower band, indicating oversold conditions. Trend indicators. ADX14 at 37.1610 suggests a strong trend, and DX14 at 15.7785 indicates bearish direction. A rune up, 4.0, and a rune down, 92.0, with a rune oscillator, -85.7143, confirm the bearish trend. Volume-based indicators. Chaikin oscillator at -183.650.674, 0.359 reflects intense selling pressure. OBV at 102 billion is skewed by early volume but supports cumulative selling recently. MFI 14 at 78.1028 is anomalously high, possibly due to data issues or early buying. Linear regression. The 14-day TSF at 0.0922 is below the estimated price of 0.14, suggesting the price is slightly above the short-term linear trend, possibly due to a brief pause in the decline. Coral 20 at 1.0 indicates perfect alignment with the trend. DEMA 14 at 0.0532, below the price, supports potential for a minor rebound or consolidation. Next trading day opening estimate. The estimated closing price is 0.14, with recent data showing intraday highs at 1.33, May 13th, and lows at 0.14, August 8th. The VWAP at 0.6597 is significantly above the price, reflecting heavy selling pressure. Given the near oversold RSI and low stochastic values, I estimate the opening price for August 11, 2025, next trading day after the weekend, to be in the 0.13-0.15 range. Strong buying volume could stabilize the price near 0.14-0.15, while continued selling might push it towards 0.12. Support and resistance levels. The estimated price of 0.14 is near the Bollinger lower band, -0.1211, indicating oversold conditions, though the negative lower band is theoretical. Key support levels include the August 8th low of 0.14 and the psychological level of 0.12. Resistance levels include the 5-day SMA at 0.1620, Bollinger middle band at 0.2632, and 10-day SMA at 0.0976, though below the price, it's less relevant. The price is closer to support, suggesting a potential bounce, but a break below 0.14 could target 0.10. Intraday movement may range between 0.12-0.16. Potential intraday high and low based on ATR 14. ATR 14 at 0.0577 indicates the daily price range. From the estimated price of 0.14, the potential intraday high is 0.14 plus 0.0577 equals 0.1977, and the low is 0.14, 0.0577 equals 0.0823. Given the oversold indicators, the high may be capped at 0.15-0.16, and the low could find support around 0.12-0.13. Possible scenarios. Short-term bounce, near oversold RSI, 29.2232, and low stock K15, 5.4880, suggest a potential rebound to 0.15-0.16, especially if volume picks up. Continued decline. If selling persists, supported by the negative Chaikin oscillator and higher rune down, the price could test 0.10-0.12. Consolidation. The price may stabilize in the 0.12-0.16 range, balancing oversold conditions with low liquidity typical of microcap stocks. Conclusion. ORIS stock has been on a roller coaster, crashing from 0.961999 to an estimated 0.14, an 85.4% drop over 3 months, with a sharp decline in early August. Technical indicators like RSI, 29.2232, and MFI, 78.1028, potentially skewed, suggest oversold conditions, hinting at a short-term bounce. The price is likely to move within the 0.12-0.16 range intraday, with 0.14 as a key support to watch. Investors should monitor volume trends and the 0.1620 resistance closely. While oversold signals suggest upside potential, the strong bearish trend and low liquidity demand extreme caution.